open the water tank and fill in some water. The water must be distilled water or pure water. If the temperature is too low, add some antifreeze in it. The water level must be higher than the water pump. Water tank outlet must connect to machine water inlet must. Water outlet of tank must connect to water inlet must. Then set up the air pump. The air pump connect to the machine air inlet. Then connect the exhaust fan. Use the tool to fix up it. The other pipe to the outdoor place. Then connect the ground wire. The wire connect to the machine. And the metal must insert in the ground. Then connect the power wire. We must ensure the water must run well. After the water runs well in the tank, we can turn on the machine and adjust the light route.